Hello guys and welcome back to another video on login helps. Today we're going to be teaching you how to make Instagram story better quality. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new videos by us. Without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is head on over to your Instagram application. Now there's a feature on Instagram that allows you to upload better quality videos or photos or posts on Instagram. So to enable that switch, go ahead to your profile by tapping on the profile icon that appears on the bottom right corner of your screen. Now go ahead to the top right corner on the three-barred menu, tap on it, select settings and privacy, and on the search settings option, go ahead and search data usage. You'll be able to see data usage and media quality. Tap on it, and over here you'll be able to see upload at highest quality feature. Make sure that this feature is turned on. For that, simply toggle the switch and it will turn blue, which means that this feature has been enabled. And once you've enabled this feature, your Instagram story will be uploaded at a better quality. And I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.